Hi everyone, welcome back to Kechez Electronics. Have you ever thought of measuring your own room temperature? Or maybe you haven't. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you are going to do it. First, you are going to need an Arduino, a DHT11, an LCD with I2C, and an Arduino IDE. Without wasting your time, let's just get to it. So open your IDE, write the simple code. As for me, I've already written the code. The code is in the description below, and upload the code. Now let's do the wiring. Connect 4 jumper wires to the LCD. Connect the LCD to the Arduino Uno board. Now let's connect the DHT11 to the Arduino board. Now let's connect the board to the computer and upload the code. Okay, now let's see if our circuit is working. As you can see, we can now see the temperature and the humidity of the room. And that wraps up our real-time temperature and humidity monitoring project with Arduino and the DHT sensor. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to Kechez Electronics for more exciting electronics projects. Don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. I would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep innovating, keep exploring. Thanks for watching.